What's up, guys? Let's make a lemon fault line cake. First, I start by washing my lemons, and then I'm going to cut some slices, and I'm trying to make sure they're about the same thickness. And then I'm going to come in with some tweezers to remove the seeds. I just don't want to see any seeds when they're on the cake. And then as you can see here, I'm trying to dry off the lemons as good as possible. You don't want any extra moisture on your cake. Moisture and buttercream do not mix. Now I have a crumb-coated buttercream cake here, and I'm just adding some extra buttercream in the middle and on top. The buttercream in the middle is so that your lemons can stick. Try to make sure they're as close as possible to the next one. That way you don't have any gaps. As you can see, I'm moving some of the lemons around. Now you want to put some buttercream in a piping bag, and this makes it so much easier. So you'll add the buttercream on the top and the bottom, and make sure you leave a little gap in the middle, and that is your fault line. I like to do a squiggly line around the lemons. That way it's not a straight line and it flows better. And using this smooth cake comb from Ester Cakes, it's nice and tall. That way you can reach the top and the bottom, and then you have that open part in the middle where the lemons are. For the cake, I wanted to do some sporadic stenciling, so I have this nice stencil here, and I use some blue buttercream. The blue buttercream matches the cake topper I made, which is blue fondant, and then an edible image with the same theme. I made a lemon out of fondant, and then I made some leaves out of wafer paper and painted them green. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please give it a big thumbs up.